Hi everyone, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and today we're going to show you how to change the batteries on a Merit Gemini power wheelchair. This power wheelchair comes with two 12-volt batteries, and we're going to show you how to change them. You can get the batteries from our website. We have a parts department, and you can call them to find out exactly which batteries you need, whether it's for this model or any other model that we carry. Now, you are going to need some strength to pick this seat up. It's a big seat, it's a big power wheelchair, and you need to be able to carry things that are heavy. This seat probably weighs around 30 to 35 pounds. So I'm going to fold the seat down first. I want to make sure that my cable is disconnected in the back here. So I'm going to turn it around really quick to show you. Here's the joystick cable. You want to disconnect this, make sure the unit's off. Disconnecting this is going to just make sure that you don't get yank this out when you're removing the seat. So I'm going to grab from underneath in the back, in the middle of the chair, and grab from underneath in the front and pick straight up without tilting in any direction, or else it will not come up. So again, you're just going to pick up straight up. Now, I may have made it look easy, but it is pretty heavy. And the last thing you want to do is hurt your back picking that up. So if you don't feel up for the challenge, do not try it if you're not comfortable. Have two people. It's a lot easier with two people. All right, now that we have the seat removed, what we're going to want to do is remove this entire panel. There's really nothing to it. It's held on with Velcro. So what you want to do is just carefully detach that Velcro in the front and in the back, and then lift straight up without letting that metal part hit the body panel and scratching it. Once it's off, just pull it off to the side there. These are the brake levers which feed right through the body panel as well as the seat post, so just make sure it's clearing properly. And here we have the exposed two 12-volt batteries. We have a positive and a negative terminal on each one. It's pretty straightforward. You've got a nut and a bolt, so you're going to need your tools. You're going to want either a socket set or two pliers to just loosen these up and then take them out completely. There's a little loop here that the bolt goes through, and that's the terminal connector for the positive. This is for the negative. Now, you do have a spare fuse here off to the side, which you can use if you burn out a fuse. One of the inline fuses are in here. There's actually two, one for each battery. So if you see that that's burnt out and you're not getting power, you just need to change out that fuse. Pretty nice that they offer a spare fuse, and it comes with pretty much all of their power wheelchairs. So you've got another one here on the other battery as well. So when you're getting ready to replace these, you just need to pay attention to the wires. So when you take the old batteries out and put the new ones in, just make sure everything is connected the same exact way. So you've got the positive and the negative harness here, positive and the negative harness here. Just detach the bolts and the screws on each battery. And then these straps need to come undone to basically just let the batteries come out. These straps are just there to hold them in place. So you take the batteries out. The batteries actually do have handles. So when you're ready, you just pick straight up by the handles. Make sure you cover your terminal connections up too when you're done. That's going to protect them from getting any type of dust, debris, or humidity, moisture on them. And then just reattach your straps. That's it. So as you can see, there's Velcro here, 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 and here. That's where the shroud body panel connects to with the Velcro on the other side. There's really nothing to it. I will mention that once you're here, you can see the controller in the back here kind of, let me just move this around. You can see the controller right here and all the wires going in there. You want to make sure that these clips are pushed in good from the back so nothing's loose and you don't have any power loss while you're driving it. Now, one thing to point out is that this device here is actually going to be used for the power elevating seat. This seat post goes up and down to raise the seat up and down, and that's an optional feature. You may not see this and some of these wires on your model if you got the Gemini without the power elevating seat option. So I'm going to go ahead and begin to put the panel back on. Just remember that these brake levers and this seat post will need to go through the seat or through the shroud cover. So just carefully slide it on over those three things and just push down. You'll hear the Velcros starting to attach to one another, and you're good to go. Now, probably the hardest part is going to be reconnecting the seat, because there's a tiny little seat post here in the middle of the seat towards the bottom. And you basically need to line that up So what I do is I tilt the seat back and kind of just feel for it.
Forward a little bit.
And then once it's on, you can level the seat out and hear it drop into place. Now it won't lock into place unless this lever is engaged, but doing that while you're holding it is almost impossible. So what I do is once it's on, lift it up a little bit, engage that lever, and now it's not rotating, which is what you want. Now it's locked into place. So the only way to rotate is with the rotation lever, and it locks into place in 8 different positions. At this point, you're just going to want to reconnect your joystick cable. You'll probably have to fish it out. Shouldn't have done that. All right, so last but not least, we do want to reconnect our joystick cable, which I've already reached in there and grabbed it. Make sure you fish that cable through. You probably want to do that before you put the seat on if you have big hands, or if you can reach in and grab it, it's also an option to do that. So here's the joystick female end, the male end. Just going to connect that together, and we should have power again. We're good to go. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process, but you will need some hand strength. You're gonna have to bend over, carry a heavy seat. Again, it does help to have 2 people. So I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to leave any questions in the comments section below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a chance to win a free mobility product every 6 months. We usually give away a free mobility scooter or a power wheelchair, and all you have to do is subscribe. So thanks again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Have a great day.
Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website mobilitydirect.com and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form and it should get to you in about a week or 2 max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.